Good morning guys. Tingnan yung ata ni Papa G guys. Naka-long sleeve tayo ngayon. Saka si Rico Boy kasama natin ngayon kasi off ni Mrs. ngayon. Kaya may oras tayo mag-fishing. Sa ganitong oras ng alas 9 na rin. Kaya nandito tayo ngayon sa tapat ng school yata to. Yan guys, elementary. Yan. Tingnan nyo naman ha. Mr. B, good morning darling. Yan darling. Pag mag-signal lang kay si Kunagad si Papa Jerry darling. O, pwede din natin isama si Ricto sa Amerika. Ricto, gusto mo sa Amerika din? Oo, doon sa mga adik daw side. Yung katawa mo na Ricto, parang adik na nga eh. Yeah, joke lang guys ha. Good morning sa lahat dyan. Mark, good morning. Yung mga vlogger lahat dyan, good morning. Okay, Errol Perito dyan sa Amerika. Bro, enjoy basketball dyan kasi nag-enjoy din kami dito pagpipising. Subok muna kami guys ha. Ito, tipa pa rin natin. Walang laman yan. Lagi walang laman. Hindi kasi scammer yan guys. Pero baguhin namin yan. Meron naman tayo si Mama Maputi. Especially pala guys, yung mga maputi ko hindi pa maluto. Maluluto din yan guys. Eh, off ngayon ni Mrs. Sigurado yan, luluto yan. Yung pa naman, killer sa isda yan. Okay na guys. Continuous natin guys ha. Back to the fishing. I love you darling. Woohoo. Guys so, ando si Ricto. Mr. B, dito naman tayo guys. Ha? Kasi mukhang may nahatak naman si Mr. B guys oh. Ayun, ayun, laki oh. Yan, isang nagtataladya. May fisherman din doon sa dulo. Yun ang sasakyan natin. Yan, taladya dito. Ito naman yung atin na lumalaban man guys. Yun o. Come on mama. Yan o, laki guys o. Yan, laki. Man. Yan. Mr. B. Morning bro. Yeah. Unang huli natin. Alright. Last one Mr. B. Tell him. Yes sir. Yeah. It's nothing inside. It's a scammer. Catching. Good morning sir. What's your name? Huh? What's your name? Ray. Oh, Mr. Ray. Mr. Ray, this is Papa Joe again, Ray. Yes, sir. Thank you, Ray. Alright, and this is Mama. Alright. Report family. Alright, guys. Another one with Mr. Ray Santos in San Antonio. Yeah, and this is Papa Joe again, guys. And we have another one.
And you see the one I got?
Yeah. Wait. I take this one. Yeah. All right. Guys, look. Come on, Papa. Mama. All right. Yeah. All right. You say. And make it sure. To will be Mr. Ray. Mr. Ray, I want to see you catching today. Mr. Ray. Oh my God. This is a special, bro. This is a special.
For Mother's Day.
Yeah.
Preparing for Mother's Day. That's why I go fishing for Mother's Day.
Yeah, according to Mr. Ray Santos, is this coming Mother's Day. And that's the one for Kilawin.
Oh,
yes, sir. The special fish in Saipan. Alright, guys. Thank you for Mr. Ray. Happy Mother's Day is coming.
yeah, right?
Alright. Yeah. That's true, sir. Yeah. This is it. Only a seconds, guys. We have two already. See? Mr. Darling. See? Still love si Mama. And another one. Mar.
And you don't take
Good
you
morning.
that long?
Yeah.
Alright,
Yeah, Mr. Ray said it's not long. Only,
maybe 5 minutes you can.
yeah. That's true, sir.
Yeah,
5 minutes.
yeah.
Yeah, he's catching two already. Right. Thank you, Mr. Ray.
Yeah, the luck is around.
Yeah, continuous fishing, guys. All right. Right. What you said, Mr. Ray Santos? That's it, 5 minutes. Another catching.
Yeah.
There's a witness, Mr. Santos, guys. Another one. Ah?
See my, maybe you can recognize me.
Yeah. I know now.
Retired on CUC.
Oh, you retired the CUC, bro. She enjoying the talaja, catching the, what was the name that one? Tiyaw, but the Filipino he call salmoniti. But Papa Jerry, he call Mama. Oh, Mama, please don't run away. Come, Mama, not yet 5 minutes according to Miss Santos. Ah,
One size.
yeah. See?
Same size.
Beautiful smile to Mr. Santos, guys.
Sinigan.
Sinigang. Yeah, see? See, not yet 5 minutes, guys. Already 3. Alright. Continuous. Yeah, yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Santos. Continuous, he said.
Yeah, continue and I
That-
go and more good luck.
Yeah, talaga man in Saipan. Enjoy.
Yeah, you just take care.
Yeah, okay, sir.
No, my car is there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Another catch again, guys. According to Mr. Santos, guys. See, look. Another catching again. Alright, he said the farmers the other side. Yeah. See. See. Another one. And we have the fisherman then. Mr. Santos smiling. This is a good smile to smiling.
5 minutes you're already catching.
Not yet everything, like maybe like 8 minutes. 8 minutes.
You just sit and talk, but when you throw
Yeah.
to hook it, it's not take you 5 minutes.
There. Already.
Yeah, the sinigan.
Yeah, ready sinigang.
And the sinigan.
And si Mr. Rick to their side.
Yeah.
I don't know. Rico, you're catching? Nothing, he said. Alright. Kuya Alex.
Hey, take care.
Alright, bro. Thanks.
Maybe 8:39.
9.
9 o'clock.
Yeah, alright. Thank you.
Oh, I go this morning, I go mass. Then after that one, I come check the fish.
Alright. Enjoy. That's
how
why
it's
you.
supposed to be.
Yeah, it's a lot
After that one,
already.
go home.
Yeah. Alright. Thank you, sir.
No?
Yeah, okay. Okay, continuous na tayo, guys. Kaalis lang ni Mr. Santos. Ayun o. Nagtaladya sa guys. Pero tayo naman dito, continuous na tayong catching. Tama nga siya, guys. That's true. Ito yun, he told me every 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes. Not yet 5 minutes, I catching. But, another one, guys. Kuha naman tayo, guys. Boy pa lahat yan, guys. He's not alive, but he's the one which also witness to make catching to the guys. Ilan yan man, guys. Oh. Hindi scammer yan. Hindi naman sa Amerika, malaki scammer. Yan. Okay na tayo, guys. Victor! Meron! Isa, guys. Tayo, mag-isa tayo. Okay? Okay, so, hindi matanggal, guys. Yan. Ha? Tingnan mo si Rick to, guys, oh. Yan. Ngayon, kukunin natin yung sasakyan natin, guys. Doon, oh. Lilipat natin dito. Kaya nga, inano ko rito, guys. Sana, lilipat ko na. Kaso lang, tapon ako ng, ano ko, ng, ha? Oo. Ayun ang huli natin, guys, oh. Yan. Sabi ni Rick to daw, malaki daw. Continuous natin, guys, ha. Guys, oh. Uy, naku. Yan, guys, oh. Tignan nyo. Tignan nyo yung legs ko, guys, oh. Si Recto nandun, oh. Kaya continuous lang tayo, guys. Si Mama, guys, oh. Tignan nyo, oh. Ayan, oh. Yan. Continuous na, guys. Ha? Next cameras, guys, yes. Continuous lang. Papa Joey, continuous. Kahapon, saka ngayon. maputi yung sa atin guys. Kay Ricto, papakol guys. Yung sa atin naman maputi. Right? So, Ricto, not papakol, si Mama. Guys, so na guys, so stock scammer yan guys ang ano natin guys. Oh, continuous na tayo guys. Make it sure kasi baka I'm losing this one. Ito mo yung fisherman doon nagtatago na sa si Mr. Rito nagtatago na sa pantry. Time na yun guys. Dito lang muna tayo ha. Continuous na tayo guys. Yan. Okay na ito. Not bad. Continuous lang. It's hard to catching. Here guys oh. Pag malaki. Yun. Lumalaban guys oh. Mr. B oh. Laki oh. Yan guys oh. Pag malaki ang maputi. This is it. Tabi yung laki niyan guys oh. Tingnan. Yan ang lazy fisherman, Papa Jerry. Contest tayo guys. Mr. B, love you darling. I miss you darling. With Anita. Yan naman darling so. Wala pa sa 2 minutes oh. Lumalaban naman yung si darling ko Mr. B oh. Come on darling, let's go. Lumalaban talaga sa kay mama oh. Nasa si mama, oh, laki ni mama ganyan guys oh. Come on mama. Guys oh. Lagi this camera sa Papa Jerry guys ha. Actual lagi yan pag mag-fishing yan. Ano bigat oh. Like darling continuous Papa Jerry with Rick to the guy. Gusto lang. Tignan nyo yan guys. Tignan yan. Pipita natin para pag malaki kasi guys. Ayun oh. Laki. Come on mama. Come on mama. Come on mama. Punta natin guys. Malaki to eh. Ay hindi na. Ano na siya. Nakabalupan siya guys. Yun. Sa niya guys. Hindi malaki guys eh. Laki. Yun oh. Continuous lang. Malaki. Guys. Tapon lang natin guys oh. I cannot stop catching guys. Ayun. Come on Mr. B. Guys oh. Kita natin yan guys. Sinirap yung pagbitin natin namin yan. Lalaki na oh. No. Tingnan mo huli natin guys. Hindi ko na yata mabilang yan guys oh. Ano? Mag-diet nga natin guys hanggang kumakagat pa. Guys ko, paupulan natin dito eh. Nanood pa ko ng sabi ni WhatsApp out. Junior Isolmit. Kasi Peter ano daw, watching to the Lakers. Ito Junior, watching to the catching. Si Mama, bro. Actual catching. Yan o. Paupo ko lang guys. Habang nag-comment kayo, binasa kong comment mo eh. Kali about Lakers Junior. Shout out Junior. And shout out. Si Rico boy. Oh, baka ni si Rico boy. Papako. Tayo naman guys. Si Mama. Huli natin. Alright, thank you Junior. Shout out bro. And bro. Alright. Nakalimutan ko yung sa nag-shout out. Si Omar Oyster lagi nagsishout sa yan. Si Michelle. Alright, let's go lang. Guys, kahuli ko lang ng isang papakol. Shout out to Omar. Only now a few minutes he's calling to me. He said, "Where are you now, Papa Jerry?" In the bedside with Rick the boy. Kaya sabi ko, Ricto, dito sa kabila ang maputi. Dito sa right side ko, yan guys, ano yan, Papakol side dito ako sa kabila. Sabi ko dito tayo magtapon dahil ang maputi nandyan. Kaya ito ngayon ang agad natin guys. So, right. Shout out sa lahat dyan ha. Si Perido dyan, Errol. Continuous na guys. Yes sir. Uwi na kami Recto guys. Time to go home darlings. Mr. B. Time to go home. With the Recto. Already 1:20 Recto. Ano oras na? Alauna na pala guys.
56.
Okay, Recto. Ito muna yung sa akin guys. Tingnan mo nyo man. Kahapon, binidyoan din natin yan. Ito na naman. Kaso maraming ngayon papakol. Yan, ito naman kay Recto guys. Baka sabihin mo kay Recto papakol. Tingnan nyo, puno na rin. Ha? Yan, ang dami. See?
Lumipat yung isda dyan sa lagayan.
Hindi yan scammer guys ha. Yes sir, kunti tayo bukas ulit guys. Another episode for Recto and Papa Jerry. Shout out to Mr. Santos and Mr. Dwayne Sablan bro. That's true, if you're retired, every day fishing with me bro. Enjoy fishing and thank you very much and God bless you bro. God bless you. God bless you everybody. Pasensya na sa ngipin ko, singaw ang akin nga magsalita. Shout out sa Sacramento, my darling. Darling, this is again and catching today. Let's go. Continuous and I say continuous tomorrow guys.